welcome back. Hope you have a beautiful day and making it awesome one for you. In this video, we'll talk about that how to fix Windows 11 taskbar problem. So without any further ado, let's get started. Sometimes when you install the Windows 11, so you got the problem that sometimes the taskbar is too much larger than the normal or the actual size, and sometimes it is very small, or sometimes it is normal but it is half of its cutting off. So how to fix that? So simply go to browser and in the search bar type here Windows 11 taskbar size download. Hit the enter, and after clicking on the page you have to click on the official. After reaching on the page, simply scroll down, and on a little bit you have seen that Answer Microsoft community. You have click on official community of Microsoft answers. You can see here. Simply click on that, or you can check the link in the description. Simply check the link in the description and click on that, and you will reach on that page directly. So from here, scroll down, and on the bottom you can see the last answer that is replied on November 6, 2021. You will find that link there. Simply click on that link. After reaching on their page, you will find the Windows 11 taskbar sizes for download, and you will also can read the description as well. So you can read the description as well. Simply scroll down and you can see that screenshot as well of the taskbar. So you can download small or large or the medium taskbar sizes for your requirements as your requirements. So you have to download the size that fulfill your requirements. So simply scroll down, and here you can see the first is the taskbar small size. So you have to simply click on the download button. So it is, again I want to tell you, this is the small size. If you want to make your icon small, this is the small size, so you can download. The second is, if you want your taskbar medium sizes, so you can download there. The second option is the medium taskbar size, and that is from here you can download. And the third and the last but not the least, you can download the large taskbar size if you want. If you wish, you can download from here, this download button. After downloading all, I have already downloaded all the three taskbar sizes. You have go to download location. So the first is medium, second is large, and the third is small. So first is the default medium. Simply double click on that, and it will run this command, and it will show up in the bottom in 2 or 3 seconds, and it will simply apply that. So as you can see, it is being processing. It will show a white blank border, and after that it will show up, and after that you can see, my friend, it is the medium default size, and it is very good, but I don't like that. I want to use the small size. That's why I am again going to download application, as you might already have seen. Now this is default that I have already used, and the second is large. Simply double click on that. It will ask you that you want to run this software. Simply click on that run. It will also run the command, and it will apply it soon. And you can see this is the large size. I don't like that, but you can use that if you wish, if this fulfill your desire. And the third and the last but not the least that I recommend and I use, that is the small size, and that is the small size. So simply double click on that, and it will also run that command, and it will simply show up. Just wait for 10 seconds. And this, my friend, is the small size that I recommend and I use, and I like that. I love that size. So that's, you can, in this way you can use any of size. First of all, you have go to check the link in the description, go to Microsoft website, and then go to that link, or you can check the link in the description. and you can download the 3 size that you can also download the size that fulfill your desire, and then simply you have double click on that. It will automatically run the command and will apply it, and you can see. And that's all for today. In this way you can fix the problems of taskbar in Windows 11. And if you have any problems, so let me know in the comment. I will definitely try to answer your questions. So that's all for today. Hope this helps you, and if it did, then don't forget to like and subscribe. And now just to subscribe, ring the bell that you, my friend, don't miss out any other future tips, tricks or tutorials. Meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.